So I got a package in the mail. This might be the most random, unlikely collab that I've ever seen from Xbox. They have done some wild collabs in the past, but Xbox and OPI. For those of you that don't know, OPI is a nail polish brand, so I have no idea what's inside this box, but I knew that I had to film it because look at these freaking beautiful colors. Like, these are like all my favorite colors all mixed in one, so I can only imagine what's inside of this box. I'm also a huge fan of the OPI nail polish brand, so let's open it up. Whoa, this looks like a creamsicle. Look at these beautiful colors. Xbox and OPI are back and turning up the heat with a new Xbox wireless controller, Sunkissed Vibes OPI Special Edition. Daring pastels and shocking brights from OPI's Summer Make the Rules collection. I like that they say sold separately, so you buy the nail polish and then you can also buy the Xbox controller. Dude, this controller is absolutely beautiful. I love these colors. Like, what a cool idea. So it says again, so Xbox has done this before? Why am I just finding out about this? Either way, I'm here for it now. God, this is such a great color palette. This is very exciting because I just started painting my nails again. During the pandemic, I didn't paint them anymore, but now we're back. So this could not have come at a better time. This is Flex on the Beach. This is sanding in stilettos, which is absolutely something that you would never find me doing, but I love this color. I love the name of this one. It's Summer, Monday through Fridays. Oh, okay, risque. This one is called Surf Naked. I hate to admit that I've actually witnessed someone doing that. There is a well-known nude beach in San Diego. There's a guy there that he goes for it. I can't even imagine going into like the Pacific without having a wetsuit on. Like, it's freaking freezing. This one's for you, dude. I love that they used all of the colors in the collection. I mean, I guess that's kind of the point, but it looks so good. Look at this, oh my goodness. I love that they even did kind of like a shiny finish. So it really does kind of pull from these nail polish colors. Like, this one looks like it's less metallic, so it matches the D-pad. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. I love the way that they pulled in the metallic accents from this color as well. And this green is also more of like a matte finish. They even made the Xbox logo this color green. Attention to details. Look at that, how cool. And there we have it. All 4 colors with the new OPI collab controller. I'm so ready for summer. Well, thank you guys for watching. I probably could have made this a shorts, but I needed a little more than a minute, so it became a full YouTube video. Let me know what you guys think of this, and let me know what your favorite color is. And also, I would love to know if you have a favorite Xbox collab that they've done in the past. There's even so many that I don't even know about. So I feel like that might be something that I want to do, is do a deep dive into the history of Xbox collabs, because I know they've done some that I probably would be like, how did I not know this? See you in the next video. Bye.